So putting it all back together, doing the new timing belt. I had my hands full, so I didn't record. Put this pulley in first, torque that down all the way. Go ahead and put this down, install this, I mean. Go ahead and attach this with the pulley on it. Don't tighten this all the way down yet. Get it bolted in, and then the orientation of these two bolts matter. So you're going to put these back as close as you can to how it was when you took it apart. So you're going to rotate these. I use some, what do you call these, snap ring pliers to turn it. Whenever you get into position, tighten this bolt down. Torque it down. This bolt and this bolt are 36 foot-pounds. Once you get this torque down, torque this down, pull the pin. And as long as these timing marks, this mark, and it's hard to see it, but there's a mark right here by my finger. Yeah, right here. Both sides. Mark. As long as those all are still lined up, you can rotate it twice, and if they all line up on that second rotation, then you're in time. Another little trick, when applying the belt, put it down here on the bottom, put a rag in between to kind of hold the belt up onto the gear. You're going to focus on getting this side of the belt done first. So you're going to put the belt around the idler pulley, and then over top of this gear. You're going to want it to be as tight as possible. The whole time you're doing it, you got to make sure these timing marks are lined up. And then route it under to the other side. You want the same thing. You want all your slack to be right here so that this can do its job. Yeah, get it all down. Rotate the engine twice, and if all your timing marks still line up, you are good to go.